Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Hi guys, today is July 4th and I am at 54 subscribers now, so I'm going to do my giveaway that I had already said on this video that I'm looking at right now. Just a reminder, the things that are in this giveaway are going to be, I have a couple things of washi tape here. I have the super sticky PaddyWaxx in the Distracted by Diamonds tin. I have the mouth-watering strawberry PaddyWaxx that's going in there. I put in one of my diamond stickers, and it's going to be a choice between the pink or the purple glitter tray from JH Envision Lab. So that, like I said, that's just a reminder of the things that I have in this giveaway. And I'm going to be using the random comment picker, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to copy, and we're going to the random comment picker. This is going to filter out how many comments there actually are right here. So there are going to be 7 unique comments, and we're going to go ahead and start the raffle and pick the random winner. Oh, it's Mel G. So I will be trying to contact Mel G, and her comment was, "I found you through Mrs. Coffee. She mentioned you," and I was like, "Who is that? Love the content." So I'm really excited to contact her and let her know so I can get everything to her. I will have already contacted her by the time I post up this video, and so you might not see it until tomorrow or the next day, depending on when I can get a hold of her. Anyhow, I hope you guys have a safe day. I hope everybody has as much fun as possible. I know everywhere is, a lot of places are closed down and stuff still, so I hope you can enjoy some time with your families, and everybody stay safe. Happy 4th of July, and you guys have a wonderful weekend.